Don't take life too easily. An accident can happen with you anytime. So prepare yourself and learn self-defense with the Ninja Warrior. If anyone grab your collar in a street fight or thug person, then how to defend yourself. Today we will teach you the best and easy technique. So watch the full video and don't skip any part of this video. So let's start. Step number 1. Keep your hand under his wrist and rotate your body like this, as you can see in the video, and check my body position. So follow the body rotation and keep your stances perfect so you can do this technique. So you can see my body position is perfect for doing this technique. So keep your other hand on his shoulder. Now keep your leg on his knee back like this and hit and push him down. You can see here his balance going to be out. Yes, and down like this way. Then grab and punch. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side. Yes, grab. Step 1, this. Step number 2, back. 3, push down. And punch. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.